Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be assembling our lasa.ate shoe, our 8-tier shoe rack. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Proceeding on with step 1, we'll be needing one part A, one part B, two C's, and our Allen key. Let's go ahead now and show you how to assemble. Alright, so taking a look at the installation for the shelves, we've got two types of options here. So if you have a look on the main frame side, you'll see that there's holes on one of these sides. You'll see that on this side there's more holes. What it allows us to do is to take the shelf itself, and if you want to install it straight, you'll use the topmost hole and the one on the opposite side. Or if you'd like to have it at an angle or have it sloping, you can install it on the lower hole. We'll go ahead now and we'll install it in a straight configuration. For our next step, we will be needing another side, part A. One thing to note is when you see your part A's, there are inserts here for your feet. So be mindful when assembling onto this part. We'll go ahead now and attach it using another two part C. Proceeding onwards, we'll be repeating the same step as step 1 and 2. We'll be needing 3 parts B and 12 of our C screws just to complete this tier of our shoe rack. We'll go ahead now. We'll be doing the same for the remaining two shelves. Now that we've completed a 4-level stack, we'll be repeating the same sequence for the other 4 tiers. When we're done, we should have 2 completed stacks like this. What we're going to do now is we'll now move on to the next step. When using these, they can be used individually or stacked on top of each other. We're going to go ahead now and show you how to install the foot standoffs. Flipping it over, we'll see that there are 4 inserts underneath with the threads for the foot standoffs. We'll install them now. We will not be installing these feet standoffs on the second half as we'll be stacking them. Moving on to the next step, we'll be needing our parts E. These are clips that we'll be installing on the sides here to connect our top stack. Let's go ahead now and install it. And finally, for our last but optional step, we've got our parts G. These are anti-tipping brackets. You'll see there are 2 harnesses here and 2 fisher plugs, and there will be screws that you'll be needing to pilot holes into the wall and insert our fisher plugs, and we'll be wrapping the harness around the side frame. Thank you for watching along with our assembly of our LSA 8T shoe, our 8-tier shoe rack. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assembly videos and products. Thank you.